Hello all, welcome to Selenium Python Training Series. In this session, as part of Selenium WebDriver, I'm going to practically demonstrate how to handle multiple windows. So let's get started. What will happen if you don't handle this multiple windows? Let me practically demonstrate that first. I'll switch to this PyCharm IDE where we have some sample Selenium Python code already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser window, and here we have to open the application URL. Say I'll open this application, that is omega.blogspot.com application. Okay, I'll copy this URL and paste into this get command. Okay, so once you open the Chrome browser, maximize the browser window and open this application URL, what you have to do next? Let's say I would like to open multiple windows. Here only one window is there at this moment. Okay, the original parent window is there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create open a child window. Okay, how do I get a child window? Here is a link on this web page. If I click on this link, I'll get this child window. Okay, so now I have multiple windows. So to make that happen using automation, I will try to click on this link. Okay, I'll click on this link with the help of Selenium Python automation. You see, when I inspect this link text is coming, link text locator is coming, using which I can locate that element and click on that link. Driver dot find element by dot link text, give the link text of that link and simply say dot click. Okay, simply click on that link. When you click on this link, what will happen? A child window will come. Now at this moment, there are how many windows on this page? Apart from the original parent window, we have this child window. Now what I want to do is, I want to retrieve this particular text on this window, okay? The child window. So let me do that. I'll select this text and inspect this. With the help of automation, I have to retrieve the particular text on the page, okay? This particular window page. So when I inspected this paragraph, it has an ID. I'll copy this ID and I'll close this part. And here I'll write the script. Driver dot find element by dot ID, give the ID of that link ID of this particular paragraph and say dot how to retrieve the text. Okay, you see, when I inspected it, you can clearly see that it has an ID and the text that I want to retrieve is between the tags. So I can use the text command here in Selenium Python, and here I'll store that here. Okay, para underscore one underscore text. Right now, I would like to print this particular text. I'll say print of para underscore one underscore text. So, and finally, I'll say driver dot quit to close all the browser windows. Now, if I run the script, what do you think will happen? It will open the application URL. It will click on this link, but it will not be able to retrieve this particular text from this paragraph on the second window. The reason behind that is you'll get an exception, guys. Okay, you'll get an exception when I run the code. You'll get an exception. Just see here what is going to happen. You are not going to get the text on the window. Rather, you'll get an exception. Okay. You see, got an exception here. What is the exception saying? No such element exception. Okay. You see, you will get this exception known as no such element exception if you don't handle the windows. Why you are getting this exception? Let me explain. Okay. Initially, open this page, then you click on this link and you got this link, right? Now, this is when you clicked on this link, it opened a new window. Now we have two windows. Initially, the focus of the Selenium is on the parent window. Okay, it's still there on the parent window. Even after this particular child window came, the Selenium focus is still there on the parent window. The original parent window, the Selenium focus is there. So, but we are trying to operate something on the child window. We are trying to retrieve this particular text from the child window and print it in the output console. That's not going to happen because for this particular paragraph, we are trying to locate with the help of its ID, right? We have given the ID of that particular paragraph and trying to locate that. What's happening here is, in this case, since the Selenium focus is still there on the original parent window, but we are trying to operate on the particular element on the child window, but Selenium focus is there, still there on the parent window. So Selenium will try to find this paragraph on the parent window and it will not be able to find the paragraph on this parent window and it will fail the script by giving that no such element exception. That's what is happening. So how to overcome this problem? I have to switch to this window. I have to make the Selenium focus go from here to here. I have to switch to this window. I have to switch the Selenium focus from the parent window to the child window. Once Selenium focus comes to the child window, then you can perform this operation. Okay. So that's what is required. Otherwise, you'll get this exception known as no such element exception because on a wrong window, this particular element is being looked by Selenium. Fine. So how to handle it? Let me demonstrate. So I want to do something like this, guys. Okay, I'll clear all this stuff. I would like to automate something like this. Okay, what I want to do here is this is what I want to try it on the try automating using this Selenium Python. That is, first I would like to open this application. That's fine. After that, I would like to click on this link. The next activity after this new child window comes is I would like to retrieve this particular text and print in the output console. After that, I would like to close this child window. Then I want to come here and type my name. Okay. In the parent window, I would like to type my name. After typing my name, I want to close the parent window. This is what I want to do completely. So for that, how to do that? Let me demonstrate this. This solution gives you, okay, whatever I'm going to demonstrate, right? That is a solution for handling the multiple windows, okay? Simple words, okay? So if you understand what I am trying to teach now, you will be able to handle you will be able to understand how to automate handling of the multiple windows in Selenium Python, okay? So there are a few commands, guys, that we are going to use. That is current window handle, window handles like this, okay? We have to use with the help of driver.current window handle, driver.window handles, okay? Driver.switch to window, something like this we are going to use in this script. Just focus on this. So it will open the Chrome browser, maximize the browser window. After that, what I want to do? After opening this application, I want to open this application URL. Let me copy this URL and here, go here and paste it here. After opening this application URL, what I want to do? I want to click on this link. I'll inspect this. Once I inspect this is a link text. I'll copy this link text from here and come back here. I'll simply write down driver dot find element by dot. Okay, before writing this, before I click on the link, I'll do one thing. Before clicking on this link, I'll do one thing. What is that thing that I'm going to do is here, how many windows are there? Before I click on this link and the new child window comes, before that happens, you see, when I open this Chrome browser, maximize the browser window and open this application URL, how many windows are there? At this state, only one window is there. Okay, I can capture that window. I need to capture that window in order to handle the windows. Okay, in order to handle multiple windows using Selenium Python, when there are only one window, I have to capture that window. How to capture that window? Driver dot current window handle. Okay, that is one of the command, right? Current window handle. I say driver dot current window handle. This will give you the parent window ID in the string format. It will give you the parent window ID in the string format. Okay, unique ID. Every window will have a unique ID that will be given written by this current window handle in the form of a string. Okay, ID that is nothing but string format. No, you capture only when one window is there. You capture this parent window. How to use this parent window? You'll understand at the later part of the script. Once you capture that current window, only one window, when there was one window, you capture that window and you stored here, right? What you want to do next is you want to go forward, like you want to click on this link so that child window will come. Let me inspect this, and you already know that this particular link has a link text as a locator. I'll copy this and I'll write down here driver dot find element by dot link text, comma, give that link text and simply say dot click. Okay, simply say dot click. It will click on this link. Once it clicks on the link, a child window will appear. Now I want to take the Selenium focus from here to here. It will not happen so soon, guys. Okay, at this moment, how many windows are there? There are two windows. Okay, this is a first parent window and this is child window. Okay, after I click on the link, there are two windows. For that, to capture those two windows, I have this another command known as window handles command. Okay, it will capture all the windows. So I'll write down driver dot window handles. Okay, window handles. It will return you both the windows. Okay, both the windows, IDs of both the windows, it will return you in the list format. Okay, in the list format, it will return you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the for each loop for W in windows like this. Okay, for each and every window in this windows. Okay, I would like to switch to that window. Driver dot switch to dot window. This is what is a command I have to use. For switching to the windows, I have to say driver dot switch to dot window I have to use. In this, give double quotes. No need to give double quotes here. Since you already have this window, right? W is there. Just give that W here. Okay. Driver dot switch to dot window of W. Okay. Driver dot switch to dot window of W. So this, there are two windows here. One by one window will be passed here. We'll switch to that window, but we don't know to which window we have switched. Either to the parent window here or child window. We don't know. So what I will do here is whatever the window I switch to, I'll check one thing here. Okay. If driver dot title of the page equals, okay, if it is equal to the child window title, the title of this particular window, that whatever the window we don't know, which window we have switched, we don't know. Okay. In this for each loop, one window is taken. This window is giving you one window. That window we are switching. We don't know whether that is a parent window or child window. So no matter what, we are checking here. With the help of title, we are checking whether that returned window, the current iteration of this for loop, is a parent window or child window. We don't know. How to find it out? To find it out, I'll check with the title of this window. If the title of this window is basic web page title, okay, right click view page source. I'll copy this title of this child window. If the title of that particular window I switch it to just now as part of this for loop is a child window, it should match with this title, right? It should match with this title. If driver.title equals basic web page title, then in that case, I would like to retrieve the, I would like to perform the operation on this, okay? I know that my Selenium focus is currently there on the child window. If the title matches, I'll inspect this. Now I'll perform the operation. Okay. After switching to the window only, I'm performing the operation. That's what is the difference. I'll take this and write down driver dot find element by dot ID. Give the ID of that paragraph, first paragraph, and simply retrieve the particular text from there. And this is nothing but para one text. Earlier before I have written the script, right, we were directly trying to retrieve the title of that particular paragraph without switching to the window. Now, after confirming that we have switched to this child window by comparing the title here, if the title is matching, we can confirm that we have switched to the child window as part of this one of the for loop iteration. And after that, we are performing the operation on the element. And here I'm going to print it out, print para one text. Okay. Now, after that, what I want to do, I want to close this child window. Okay. There are two windows open, right? There are two windows open. So this is a main window and this is a child window. I would like to close this child window. How to close the child window? Here itself, I'll say driver dot close. This will close the child window because the current focus of the Selenium is on the child window, not on the parent window. Whatever the window that focus is there, that active window will be closed with the help of close command. Now, I'll simply provide break statement. Okay, since requirement is done, I would like to break it. I don't want to iterate. Okay, if there is a second iteration, we don't know. Okay, in that case, break statement will take you out of the for loop because whatever the thing that we want, we have accomplished here. Okay, we have retrieved the text from the child window already. Okay, after the task is done, it's no need to iterate the for loop, right? Simply break so that you will come out of the for loop. Now, what I'm going to do next is after this operation on the child window is done, what is the next activity I have to do? I have to enter my name here. Okay, into the text area field here, I would like to enter my name. So for that, I have to switch back to the parent window. Okay. So here, when I have come out of this for loop, right, my current focus is on which window? Child window. I have to come back to the parent window. I have to make the Selenium focus again on the parent window. How to come back to the parent window? For that, I'll write down driver dot switch to dot window of. How can I give the parent window ID? Here in the beginning, if you remember, with the help of current window handle, when there was only one window, I captured the parent window ID, right? I copy this, I'll paste it here. That's it. Okay. That's it. We will be able to switch back to the parent window with the help of this command. Again, switch to window of parent window. Now I would like to perform the operation. Since I have switched back to the parent window, I can perform the operation on this text area field. It is an ID. Copy this ID of the text area field and write down here driver dot find element by dot ID. Give the ID of that text area field and simply write down send keys and give my name. I'll give my name. Will type my name into the text area field after switching back to the parent window from the child window. So whatever the window you want to perform the operation, you have to switch the Selenium focus from that window to that window where you want to perform the operation. Okay. Then I would like to close the driver dot close. Okay. So that's it. This is what is the script all about, right? But when I run this, it will be very fast. So you'll not be able to understand what's going on. So what I will do here is here and there I'll put time.sleep kind of statement so that you can see the script, what's happening on the application while the script is running. Okay. So I have to click on this link, right? After clicking on this slide, I'll just simply say time.sleep of 3 seconds. Okay. So after the pop-up window comes, we'll be waiting for 3 seconds. Then, we'll switch to the child window. And before closing this also, after this, yeah, I think 3 seconds are there. You will be able to see that. And after closing this, after closing the child window, yes, then here I'll give time.sleep. Okay, just carefully giving time.sleep wherever as per the demo purpose. Okay, run this. Let's see whether we can see the demo or not properly. Let's open the parent window. It clicked on the link and we got the child window. It has closed it. After that, it switched back to the parent window and it has typed my name and closed it. You see, the paragraph text on the child window also got printed, and also we have seen that after closing the child window and switching back to the parent window, my name has been typed into the text area field also. So this is how, guys, we have to handle the multiple windows in Selenium Python. Okay, that is an example that I have demonstrated as part of this session. Okay, now Windows can be opened either as a new window or new tab. Okay, there's one more thing. These windows, while handling the windows, right? So in this example, what happened was the new window that was coming was a new window. It's not opening as a tab here. Okay, this is a completely entirely new window. Okay, so there's another way also. The windows can also be opened. Okay, you see in this example, we can clearly say that this is a parent window and this is a child window. Okay, because it's opening a new window, we can say that this is a child window. There's one more way where you see, if I click on this link, in this particular tab, this page is there, parent window is there. If I click on this link, that particular link is opening up in a new tab. Now here, this new tab also should be treated as a new window. In Selenium Python, we have to treat this new tab also as a new window. Okay, so let me demonstrate that for you. So here, what I'm going to do here is just see. So what I can do here, I have to click on this link. Okay, first let me capture this parent window. That is nothing but this omega.blogspot.com. And after that, I have to click on the link. I'll remove all this stuff. Okay, otherwise it will be confusing. Let me click on this link. Inspect this link. Okay, so it has an ID. Copy this ID. I would like to click on that. After capturing the parent window here, when only one window was there, only one tab was there, I captured the current tab. Okay, nothing but a current window. Okay, then after that, driver.find element by dot ID is there for that particular link, and simply click on that link. When I click on that link, what's happening? When I click on this link, that particular link is opening up in a new tab. Okay, it's opening up in a new tab. Okay, this is a parent tab, this is a child tab. So it's similar to this, even though it's looking like a tab, but we should be treating that as a window only. Okay, there's a parent window, there's a child window. Okay, the same way we have to handle this. Okay, so now what I want to do here is I want to click on this link. Okay, on this Selenium 143 new tab, I would like to click on this. So inspect this one. So inspect this one, and this is a link text. Copy this link text and write down the code driver.find element by dot link text. Give the link text of that link and simply say dot click. When I click on that, it'll open in the. It has to open like this, right? But it's not going to happen, guys. Okay, this is not going to happen because this particular link is on a new tab, nothing but a new window altogether. Okay, without switching to that, you cannot perform any operation. You'll get an exception. Okay, so simply I'll say driver.close here. But if I run the script, you'll get an exception, guys, saying no such element exception, because the Selenium focus is on the original tab, not on the new tab. Okay, it's treating the new tab as a new window. You see, you got an exception, that is, as I mentioned, no such element exception, because we have to switch to that new tab, that is new window. In other words, how to switch to that? So here, after clicking Selenium 143 link on the main window, main tab, okay, a new tab is coming, which is treated as a new window in this case, and you cannot directly perform operations on the elements of that new tab. How to switch to that new tab? How to switch to that? Same way, driver dot window handles. Okay, and you'll get all the both the windows here. Windows is equal to. Okay, now here write on for w in window, same logic. Okay, for w in windows, driver dot switch to one of the window. Okay, switch to one of the window in one of the iteration of this for loop. Just give w here, which is nothing but one of the window ID of this windows, two windows. And after switching to one of the window, I have to check whether I'm on that required page. The title of this page is Selenium 143. Let me check if driver dot title of that new tab is equal to Selenium 143. This confirms that I'm on the new tab. Okay, this confirms that Selenium has switched to the new tab, and you can perform the operation. Now you can perform this operation. After this is confirmed, you can perform this operation, right? Let me take this here and paste it here. Fine. I switch to the new tab. If that is confirmed with the help of the title. Now I would like to click on this link. Okay. I clicked on this link. After that, I would like to close the tab. Driver.close. Okay. Here, let me give, time.sleep. Otherwise, it will be closed. 3 seconds. And before, before performing this operation also, I'll give 3 seconds here. That's enough. Fine. Just for demonstration purpose, I'm adding time.sleep. So after that, it will close the browser and I have to break it out, right? I have to break out of the for loop, okay? Because the required task on the child tab is done, okay? Now I have to switch back to the parent tab. How to switch back to the parent tab? Driver dot, switch to dot, window of. Here already I captured the parent window ID, right? There's nothing but the parent tab. After switching back to the parent tab, after closing this and switching back to the parent tab, again, let's say I want to type the same error motor into this text here. If it inspect this, there's an ID, copy this ID. Driver dot, find element by dot id, give the id of that text area field, and simply say dot send keys, give my name. Okay. Now after typing this, I would like to close this window also. Okay, new this tab also. So for that, I'll just give, for demonstration purpose, I'm giving time.sleep. Otherwise, the script will be very fast and you'll not be able to understand what's happening on the screen. Okay. So this is what I want to run. So the new tab or completely new window, both are same. Okay. Handling new window, handling multiple windows or multiple tabs, the concept is same. You see, after 3 seconds, it switch to the child window and it has to click on what is Selenium. After that, it has to close this child tab, and then it will type my name into the text area field. Switch back to the parent tab and type my name and close the window, close the tab. Okay. So handling multiple tabs and handling multiple windows, both are same. Okay. In Selenium, the same concept applies for new windows and new tabs. Okay. Handling multiple windows or tabs, both are same. Okay. I'll write down, otherwise I'll write down handling multiple windows and or multiple tabs. Okay. Both are same. Both are same. Okay. So this is how we have to handle multiple windows or multiple tabs. So this handling of multiple windows topic is not done yet. There are a few commands that got introduced as part of Selenium 4 in handling windows that I'm going to cover in the next session. And after that, I'm going to practically demonstrate when this kind of particular exception will occur while handling the multiple windows. That is no such window exception. Okay. I'll practically show you when this particular exception will occur. Okay. While handling the windows. So these two topics are left out as part of this handling of multiple windows. But in this session, the actual topic, how to handle the windows, is covered. The additional things I'll cover as part of the as part of the next sessions. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.